Hello, my dear student. I am Bharti Singh. I hail from the Chhattisgarh. Oh my God, what I am saying? I am giving you my introduction. So, dear students, today's topic is self-introduction. Hi, children. Hope you are doing well. And the most confusing question for all of us is to answer that question which people used to ask us, introduce yourself. This answer differs from situation to situation. Like if someone is asking me in my home, I will say I am Bharti Singh and I am daughter of so and so. That's all. There is no need to elaborate it. But when I have to give introduction in class, then it will be different. And when I have to give my introduction in my interview, it will be entirely different. So to know how to give a proper introduction, we will be using an approach which will help us to introduce ourselves in a better way. And this approach will work in 3 areas which is shown here: life, hobby and dream. We will be working on these 3 areas, and these 3 areas is life, hobby and dream. So what we have to do, we have to work on these 3 areas. First life, then hobby, then dream. Life we know, hobby is that thing which we do in our leisure time. Means when we are free and we want to do something creative which will enlighten us, and by doing that we will feel happy from our we will feel happy and we will feel re-energized. That is called hobby. And then dream, what I want to be. Like see, when I was in class 1, I always wanted to be a farmer because I loved greenery. When I came into my 5th, 6th grade, I started thinking that I had to serve the mankind and I had to be a doctor. And I was giving medicine to my sister by making a syrup of ghee and sugar. And when I came in 9th and 10th, I was confused what to do. And after 11th, 12th, I thought I should go for teaching because I like it. I like explaining the things. I like to learn the things. Then I came to know that yes, I had to go for teaching. So in school, everyone is having dream and it varies according to their age, according to the class and whatever they see. So basically today we will be working on these 3 areas to have a short introduction that will make us confident in any situation. When any person is going to ask us, introduce yourself, we will be able to answer it. Dear student, one thing you have to practice it religiously. Practice करिए इसको बार बार. And when you are starting your introduction, before start you have to keep a smile on your face. एक अच्छी सी हंसी रखिए चेहरे पे, हल्की सी हंसी रखिए, स्माइल रखिए, लाफ मत करिए, जोर जोर से हंसना नहीं है, स्माइल रखना है चेहरे पे. And then we will be giving our introduction so that it will give a positive vibes to another person and he will listen to what we are saying. Then there is a proper way of greeting, and this proper way of greeting is either you have to say hello, hi or hey. Generally we use hello, and what you can say, some used to say good morning to respected principal ma'am or good morning to respected ma'am, and then they start, oh hello, I am so and so. So अब ये बात आती है कि एक हल्की सी स्माइल रखनी है. प्लीज मेंटेन अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस. एंड देन सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू ग्रीट in a very formal way. So say hello or good morning or good afternoon or good evening according to the situation, according to the part of the day. And then we will be moving towards this area and we will be answering question of 3 W's in each area, and we will be having a answer of each W, and that answer, when we will be clubbing it together, we will have our introduction. So see, when we talk about life, it's my life, it's your life. Life is different for each and everyone. So what is life? Who am I? So what I have to do, I have to answer 3 W's. Who, where, what. Means first I have to answer the answer of this particular question, who. That means I have to give my name. I am Bharti Singh. Then where? From where I am coming. So I will say I hail from Durg, Chhattisgarh. I am born and brought up in Durg, Chhattisgarh. You can say like this. Then you will be coming to answer this question. What means what kind of person I am, what nature of person I am, which personality I possess. मीन्स मेरा नेचर क्या है, कैसी पर्सनैलिटी है, या मैं किस प्रकार की इंसान हूँ. तो आई विल बी सेइंग आई एम ओपन माइंडेड एंड फ्रेंडली पर्सन. दैट्स ऑल. सो व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग. हेलो, आई एम भारती सिंह. I hail from the Chhattisgarh. I am open-minded and friendly person. So answer of these 3W is there, and you try to frame your own answer. Then we will be moving towards this hobby section. Then also we have to answer this 3 why. What, why, when. What is your hobby or what is mine hobby? So I will be giving mine example. Mine hobby is gardening. So answer is gardening. Why? What is the reason why I had selected gardening as a hobby? Then what I will be answering this question. When means at what particular time I am doing it. So what will be the answer? My hobby is gardening. I love to see greenery and I usually do it every evening after the completion of my daily routine work. My hobby is gardening. Okay. I love to see greenery and I usually do it in evening after the completion of my daily routine work. मतलब क्यों मेरी हॉबी क्या है, मुझे इस हॉबी को करने से क्या लगता है, क्यों मैं इस चीज़ को करती हूँ. तो मुझे ग्रीनरी पसंद है, नेचर के पास रहना पसंद है, इसलिए करती हूँ. और तीसरा है कि कब करती हूँ, एट व्हाट पर्टिकुलर टाइम आई डू. कई लोग हर दिन तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आपको वो भी मेंशन करना है कि आप कब करते हैं, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट. Then this one is over and then we will be coming to this section, dream. See dear students, I said कि class 1 में मेरी dream कुछ और थी, and when I was in 3rd 4th grade I was having another dream, and it varies accordingly my age and my standard, and finally I decided to be a teacher. So what I will be saying, I have to answer these 3 again. What, when, why. My dream is to become a successful teacher. When I want to be a successful teacher within 5 years. Then why? Why I want to become a successful teacher? Because I always love to gain and share knowledge. This is the reason why I want to become a successful teacher, because I love to share and gain the learning knowledge in the learning process. क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे बच्चे मुझे इनपुट दें, मैं उनको इनपुट दूँ, हम लोग कुछ नया सीखें, कुछ नई चीज़ें करें, न्यू क्रिएटिविटी करें. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द 3 एरियाज एंड नाउ यू आर रेडी विथ योर सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन. अब देखिए, अब मैंने कहा था व्हेन सिचुएशन विल वैरी, तो यहाँ पे इफ यू आर गिविंग योर जॉब इंटरव्यू, तो हियर व्हाट यू विल बी सेइंग, आई वांट टू बिकम अ टीचर. I want to see myself in a very reputed school, within 5 years. And why I have chosen this? Because I want to cater literacy to each and every segment of the society. ये भी बोल सकते हैं. अब देखिए 3 वाई का आंसर जब हमारे पास तैयार हो गया, तो हम अगर इसको क्लब करते हैं तो देखिए कितना अच्छा आंसर बनता है. हेलो, आई एम भारती सिंह and I am Bharti Singh. I hail from the Chhattisgarh. I am outgoing and friendly person. My hobby is gardening. I love to see greenery. I usually do it every evening after the completion of my daily routine work. My dream is to become a successful teacher in over next 5 years. I always love to share and gain knowledge with the pupil and experienced person. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day means you have to end in this way. Have a good day. You are saying greeting and ending in a positive note. So thank you. This much is for today. Please prepare your introduction and please write it in the comment section so that I will be helping you out in that wherever it wherever there will be correction. Thank you once again. Bye. Have a good day.